I've broken Sarasota down by 8 different areas. Let's take a deeper look into each one of them. Hey everyone, thanks for checking back in this week to my channel as I break down Sarasota into 8 different areas. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. Would you consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video, because I make videos on helping people relocate to Sarasota and all things Sarasota real estate. See, you may be looking to move to Sarasota but aren't familiar with the geography of Sarasota and what each location of Sarasota offers. So I've broken this Sarasota area up into 8 general areas to help you get a feel for how Sarasota is made up. Each of these areas offers different kinds of real estate and lifestyles. So here we go. We've got Central Sarasota, west of the trail, Islands and Keys, downtown Sarasota, North Sarasota, Lakewood Ranch, east of I-75, and Palmer Ranch. We're gonna start off in Central Sarasota. Central Sarasota is just that. Everything right in the center. Not on the water, but not far from it. Central Sarasota carries a lot of Sarasota's real estate, and it's a combination of everything: condos, villas, and single-family homes. With the majority of the homes in Central Sarasota being built between the 1970s to the 1990s. A lot of the neighborhoods, both gated and non-gated, but also a lot of side streets with homes that aren't in official neighborhoods. These side streets are non-deeded, in other words, have no HOA. Throughout Central Sarasota, you'll find homes and businesses alike. It's not just residential. It's Sarasota, homes, shopping plazas, offices, schools. You get the idea. It's not where you're gonna go to find waterfront property, and it's not the typical area for luxury style homes, but there are plenty of great homes and neighborhoods to choose from. Since the area spans quite a few miles, it can offer proximity to Sarasota's beaches, downtown, I-75, and more. It really just depends on the location. There is shopping and dining throughout all of Central Sarasota, but Central Sarasota wouldn't be considered a destination for shopping and dining. I define its lifestyle really as everyday living. Moving west on the map, we've got the area called West of the Trail. West of the Trail is located along the coast, west of Tamiami Trail. Hint, west of the trail. South of Bahia Vista, all the way down to the intersection of Beniva and Tamiami. There are some gated neighborhood style communities west of the trail, along with homes that aren't in specific neighborhoods too and don't have HOAs. Living west of the trail also offers neighborhoods with boating access and waterfront property. Many of these homes are on the water with private boat docks and lifts. There are also several communities that have community boat marinas and docks that are deeded to specific homeowners. A lot of the west of the trail real estate tends to have a higher price tag because of its location. It's a great area to find luxury style homes and waterfront property. Living west of the trail puts you close to the beaches, downtown Sarasota, the Sarasota Bay, Sarasota Memorial Hospital, and Sarasota's Islands and Keys. This area definitely puts you nearby to dining and entertainment for those looking for a more social lifestyle. Even further west, you'll be making your way into Sarasota's Islands and Keys. I mean, these are as far west as you can get, considering they are islands, and this is a huge part of what Sarasota is known for. The Islands and Keys are made up of Siesta Key, Lido Key, Longboat Key, Bird Key, Casey Key, and St. Armands. What these islands have in common is their beachfront lifestyles, their proximity to the water, the sunsets, and the priceless views. Over the course of all the islands and keys, you'll find beachfront property, bayfront property, private beaches, high-rise condominiums, luxury homes, and detached villas. However, the real estate options on each key does vary. For example, Siesta Key has a lot of waterfront condos, whereas Casey Key is made up of single-family homes. The dining options and social life of each of these islands and keys is also quite different and varies among them as well. They really should have their own feature, but that's for another day. Moving north is the area of downtown Sarasota. As we look at the map, downtown Sarasota is located in northwest Sarasota, just along Sarasota's Bay. In the downtown area, you'll find older high-rise condo buildings from the 1970s right next to brand new high-rise condos being completed today. The newer downtown condominiums offer a luxury feel and typically have resort-style amenities. Many of the condominiums also have bayfront views. You'll also find old Florida-style single-family homes, many in their original condition, while others have been renovated. Developers are also making a mark with modern trends in the downtown area. They're purchasing older homes and building modern-style homes in their place. However, you don't find gated neighborhood-style living in this area. Living in downtown Sarasota places residents right in the downtown lifestyle of dining and entertainment. Downtown Sarasota has some of Sarasota's most popular restaurants and attractions. The Comedy Theater, Sunset Cruises, live performances, the Farmers Market, and downtown festivals are some of what you can find around the area. Downtown locals also enjoy the proximity to the bay, walking the Ringling Bridge and enjoying Bayfront Park and Marina. Coming further inland, but remaining north, is what I define as North Sarasota. North Sarasota is located north of Fruitville, south of University, with Tamiami to the west, heading all the way east to I-75. North Sarasota real estate is pretty diverse with a wide range of properties and pricing. On the west side, you've got more of a downtown feel as it sits just north of downtown Sarasota. As you move east, you'll find more neighborhoods. The east side of this area butts up against Lakewood Ranch. The whole area of North Sarasota is both residential and business. The west side is very close to St. Armands, downtown Sarasota, and Lido Beach, which also puts you close to the amenities of downtown like the dining and entertainment. Moving to the far east of this area, you'll find the University Town Center Mall and all of the shopping and dining that goes with it. Still in the north, but moving east, is Lakewood Ranch. Lakewood Ranch is located east of I-75. Technically, this area is not part of Sarasota County because it is north of University Boulevard. In fact, it is Manatee County and was originally postmarked as Bradenton, Florida. However, they have now become known as their own city of Lakewood Ranch. So, though this is not technically Sarasota, it is a very desirable location minutes outside of Sarasota and an area you definitely should know about. Lakewood Ranch is a master planned community. Essentially a place where people live, work, and play. With about 25 different villages or neighborhoods spread across its 33,000 acres, the real estate in Lakewood Ranch all takes place in specific neighborhoods with condominiums, townhomes, and single-family homes. Lakewood Ranch also has luxury real estate. So though Lakewood Ranch is further from the area's beaches, it really does provide its own community of living, with grocery stores, its own downtown area, the farmers market, golf, parks, and schools right within the community. East Sarasota, we've got the area called east of I-75. Yep, you guessed it. This area is east of I-75. I have it broken down from University all the way down to Clark Road. University is the dividing line on the north end between Sarasota and Manatee County. It's mostly made up of single-family neighborhoods right now and homes with acreage. Many of the homes with acreage are in official neighborhoods, and there are quite a few that are also not in neighborhoods. Living east of I-75 is increasing in popularity with the surge of construction in that area. It still tends to be quiet, more residential area living throughout. It's further from the beaches, but it offers its own proximity to some of Sarasota's favorite spots, like the Celery Fields, Myakka River State Park, and shopping and dining nearby I-75. Also, east of I-75, there are several different public and private golfing options. And finally, let's head south to one of the most desired residential areas. This is Palmer Ranch. Palmer Ranch is located in South Sarasota with I-75 to its east side, Clark to its north side, and Beneva and 41 to its west side. The south side of Palmer Ranch dips into Osprey. Palmer Ranch is not on the coast, but its proximity to the beaches still makes it a desirable location for beach lovers. Palmer Ranch is an area of Sarasota that was designed to be residential. Every home or condo in Palmer Ranch is within a neighborhood with an HOA of some kind. It's made up of 40 different neighborhoods, many of them being gated communities. There is little traffic as the only traffic through is for residential purposes. The neighborhoods are made up of condos, villas, and single-family homes. Some of the newer neighborhoods in Palmer Ranch offer resort-style amenities, which is a draw to some of these newer communities in the area. Palmer Ranch remains popular because of its location. It's not in an area of entertainment, but it is nearby to Sarasota's entertainment, about 10 to 15 minutes to Siesta Key Beach, and about 15 to 20 minutes to downtown. Meanwhile, residents of the area enjoy the amenities like the Legacy Bike Trail, golf, and the amenities of their communities like pickleball, tennis, walking trails, and more. Residents also enjoy the closer proximity to I-75. So I know that was a ton of information to throw at you, and you probably have a few questions. First and foremost is, what is the pricing, right? How much do these areas actually cost? Go ahead and check out this video right here where I break down pricing in my quarterly market update by area, or jump over to my website, mattlight.com, and I have all these areas broken down and you can see active listings on the market today. And finally, if you want to take a deeper dive into each one of these areas, I've broken that down for you. Go ahead and check out this playlist right here. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.